All right. Here you go. So the plan is I'll start really slow, and then I'll just, you know, let me know how you feel.
Okay.
It'll be really easy. Just stay right behind the bike, and then you'll get comfortable,
okay.
and you'll be able to swing left and right.
No, that's okay. I'll just hang on. And
Okay. Okay.
Don't go too fast.
It's gonna take me a little bit to get momentum.
Okay. You want me to?
I got it.
Okay, you can go a little faster.
I gotta get some momentum. You're kind of heavy back there. I told you to go back and forth.
You're like looking at me like you're stupid. Idiot. Okay, now that's too dangerous. Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll build up some speed.
Okay.
Not too much, because I can't really go that fast. All right, watch out for the bumpies. Okay. If you can get past that, you can get past anything.
Right.
Okay, you ready? Now we're gonna start going downhill.
Okay.
So I'll try to keep up with you.
I've been here on my unicycle.
Okay. Are you having fun?
Yeah! Woo!
Hey! Why you're going faster than I am?